I followed her into the west, where I had never been before, and never did she see me as I stood there helpless by the door. Each day my resolution rose, and every day an oath I swore. Tonight I'd stand and be a man. Tonight I'd knock upon her door. And shaved and pressed and cleaned and dressed, I'd start upon the quest once more. But each night ended as the rest. I could not knock upon her door.